Okay, so many of you guys do have problems while backing up your device, especially while you're rooting your devices, installing a custom ROM or for some other reasons. And yes, there are people who are there on iOS as well who are having backing up problems. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can fully back up your device without having any issues. Yes, this is a 100% backup method in which you will also back up the app data as well. So there are three parts on this video. The first part is for all the Android phones except the Xiaomi phones. The second part is for the Xiaomi phones and the third part is for iPhones. So yes, these are the three types of devices that I will show you how to back up in this video. Now the very first thing, if you want to back up your photos on an iOS device or an Android device, you can use Google Photos. Google Photos gives you unlimited amount of storage where you can back up any kind of photos and videos at their highest qualities. This is the best thing which you can do to back up your photos and videos that are present in your phone's gallery. Now very first, let's start with Android devices except the Xiaomi devices. So here I have is a Note 8. You can even try this out on a OnePlus device. This is a very good method. You just have to go in your settings and here you have an option of backup and reset. Yes, backup and reset, backup and restore, these were the options that will be available in your settings. In a Samsung phone, you have an option that is Clouds and Account, in which you have an option that is backup and restore. On OnePlus and other devices, you have an option that is backup and restore directly in your settings. So here we have backup and restore, in which you have many backing up options. So the first one is backup your data or restore your data. But we are learning how to backup data. So when you go below, you have an option that is backup my data, keep it on, backup account, keep your email ID and select the email ID that you want to backup your data on. Yes, you require an active internet connection for it. Now go in the Google account settings. In your Google account settings, you have many things such as app data, call history, contacts, device settings, SMS, text messages. Yes, these are some settings that will be backed up. So of course, app data is very necessary, contacts, call history is necessary, SMS, text messages are necessary, and of course your device settings. When you factory reset your device will go back to its default settings. So yes, this is an option where you can even back up your device settings and go back to all your same settings which you had before factory resetting. This is a great one. And then after selecting all, you just have to click on backup now, wait, and then you'll be done. After a factory reset or after you install a custom ROM, the only thing you have to do is restore and then you're done. Now there's one more thing. If you want to back up your messages, then you also have an app that is the SMS Manager from Microsoft. It is a fantastic app and I can tell you, you should be loving it. I use this app as my default SMS app and this is one of the best apps. You can back up and restore SMSs directly on your drive. And other information from this SMS app such as your bank account details and your bank account balance is also present on this app. This app also categorizes all your apps into categories, which is very good. So do try this app. This is also a great app and I can tell you, you will like it. Now let's come to Xiaomi devices. You should be having a Mi account. In your settings, you have to go in sync, in which you have to go in Mi Cloud. And yes, here you have an option to sync now. Now you can select the apps that you want to sync. That is contacts, SMS, gallery, call history, recorder, notes, Wi-Fi settings, calendar, and even the browser settings. Yes, each and everything can be synced on this device. Xiaomi has given this feature and is a very useful feature and I love it. I use it on most of my Xiaomi phones and this is a great one. Each and everything can be backed up easily on a Xiaomi device. Now let's come to iOS. On iOS we have iCloud. Yes, that is the basic thing which you want. On iCloud you can back up your photos, mail, contacts, calendar settings, reminders, notes, messages, Safari, your photos, Find My iPhone is on, Siri, Game Center, each and every setting can be saved on your iCloud. Each and everything can be saved. Even your WhatsApp data and even app data can be saved on iCloud, which is a very useful thing. So this was it. These are the three types of devices that can be fully backed up. Yes, Androids, even Xiaomi's which comes under Android but which has a different backup method, and even your iPhones which can be easily backed up. So guys, this was pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it. I'll see you in the next one.